Do you like chili in your food? Well, you've come to the right place. Where I come from, that's the way we predominantly eat food, so I love anything spicy and anything with chili in it. Here is me unpacking the very exciting gift I received from Chilli Mash Co, a set of 3 chili sauces, and as I unpack it, I will talk to you about the very first one I unpack. This is a Mexican style hot sauce. It's got jalapeno and tomatillo. It's a mild spice level, as you can see from the single chili over there. And you can add it to anything that's Mexican, basically burritos, tacos, enchiladas. It works really well, and that's just me using it with a fish bake. My second sauce is a sriracha style hot sauce. This has got chili and garlic. This is a medium spice, so a little bit spicier than mild and milder than hot. And you could use this for stews, casserole, dips, or roasts for an extra chili kick. Again, using it with a fish bake over there, as you can see. Nice texture to it as well. The third sauce is a peri-peri style hot sauce made specially from Scotch bonnet chilies. This one is quite a heavy spice, and you can use it in any kind of tomato-based dishes, bolognese sauces, chili con carne. I really liked it on my roast chicken, as you could see there, and it turned out wonderful. Absolutely amazing set of sauces. You have to try it out. Thanks for watching.